Okay, this is a quick video just to go over how the schedules work. They're all done in Excel. This is the way I use them. I actually like using Excel for schedules. You, of course, do not have to do this. If you want to make your own schedule not using Excel, that's perfectly fine. But I'm just going to show you how the Excel schedules work. So here's the template that you would download. You can see that down here I have a 15-week face-to-face schedule, 15-week online schedule, and I got one for 12 weeks as well. At least at this time of the video. We might have more as we venture forward. But the mixed mode schedule, the only thing that's really different is every one of these rows is actually two rows merged together because we have classroom time and they have online time. When, of course, the 15-week online schedule, it doesn't have the classroom time, so each row is just one row. But the reason I like this, there's a couple reasons. One is just very easy to update. So, for example, if we're looking at going into August 2021, you can see that obviously that's not the correct start date. And if you look in under academic dates on Watchdog's calendar for at least August 30th, 2021, then that's when the fall semester begins, or whatever your first day would be. So all you need to do when it comes to the Excel schedule is you just put that date in the first one. So let me just start with 8/30/2021 and hit the enter key. And you notice that as soon as I do that, all these dates automatically update. So this is 9/5, of course, is 6 days. This is 6 days apart. And then this one is 7 days apart. So the way it works is, say pretend this is a Monday. It would go Monday to Sunday, and then it'd be Monday to Sunday, Monday to Sunday. But the nice thing is, it just automatically dates all the way down. So it's actually very convenient to use. But what you get into sometimes is you have to change, say for example, this right here, number 7. So this is the break, but the break for that August semester, that fall semester, if this was a Monday class, this would be moving up. So let's just go ahead and move that to show you how to do it. It's a couple of steps you got to do, but it's not really too bad. So say for example, I want it to be, I want it to go right after the first week. Okay, so the first thing I do is I click on that row, right click, click insert. It gives me 1. Right click on this again, click insert, and it gives me 2. Okay, I got to create them first, and because each one of these is 2 rows, I have to do that. Now, for the 15-week online schedule, it's just 1 row. All right, so then I just highlight these like this, and I come up here, click Merge and Center, and you're just creating a blank spot for it. Okay. Now, what you do is you come down to where this is. This is number 7 right here, and go ahead and click that entire 2 rows. It's 17 and 18. Come here to where it kind of changes to that little cross, and you just move it up, and you move it to that blank space. Okay, there it is. Now, what you probably have noticed is, wait a minute, I did that, and now everything's messed up. Well, it's not really messed up. We just got to fix a few things. So first, come down here, highlight these 2 rows, and just right-click and do delete. Okay, that gets rid of those. Now, to fix the dates, you just want to make sure. So this one's going to be 1, and this one should be sum of A3, not A15 plus 1. So you just do A3 plus 1. Hit the enter. That becomes a 2, and then you just take this, highlight it down like that, and now they've all changed. Okay, and then this one, of course, messed up. So go down like that, and now they've all changed. And just double check them. It's really pretty simple. You just basically go to the row before it, and you just grab this, turn it down like that, and that does it. Same thing with this. So this is supposed to be B3, not B15. So we just got to change this one to B3. Hit the enter key. Now you've got it. And then you just do this. Nope, not that. Cancel that. Don't want that. I want to go here and like that. And then you can see they're all changing. All right. And just double check. So you got this one that's wrong right here. There. See? And these are automatically updating just fine. So you can see this is all supposed to be 6 days apart, and they are. So now I'm pretty much done. Now, if I need to change what gets written in here, you just highlight it, and you can just write it up here. If you need to add an enter key, okay, so like you just push your cursor here so it's blinking, and you do Alt-Enter, and then you can type more text there, all right? That's if you need to make a new line. It's not the enter key. If you do the enter key, then it just jumps you out of that cell. So, again, you don't have to use this if you don't want to. It's just, something that I use, and I wanted to share it with everybody these templates are already there. But if you want to create your own schedule, that's perfectly fine. Oh, one more thing. Okay, so to print a schedule is actually very easy. You just do File, Save as Adobe PDF, and select whatever one you're doing. It's going to be, say, the 15-week face-to-face. I always do fit to paper width, okay? And I just do convert to PDF, and it's going to save it, yes. And I'll just do it there. I'll just call it schedule test. It's going to overwrite this one, and we'll view the result. So if I hit save, and there it is. Okay, I always check it to make sure that it does fit the right width, as things aren't cut off. And then of course you're going to probably want to change this title up here, which is actually very simple to do in Excel. You just come down here, just click on this row right here, and just write in whatever you want. Okay, that's pretty much it.